In a world filled with information, what do we often overlook? The knowledge and wisdom of indigenous communities. Today, we will explore Indigenous knowledge systems and their methodologies. Indigenous knowledge systems, or IKS, are rich epistemologies. They reflect the practices and worldviews of indigenous and local communities. This knowledge spans generations, embedded in social relations, spirituality, and ecological stewardship. But how do these systems work? Let's break it down step by step. First, we have oral traditions and storytelling. Knowledge isn't always written, it flows through narratives and ceremonies. This form respects relationships and context, preserving wisdom in vibrant ways. Next, let's discuss land-based and spiritual knowledge. For indigenous communities, place and environment matter deeply. Knowledge about health, ecology, and governance arises from connections to land, animals, and sacred spaces. Then, there's relational accountability. Researchers must recognize their responsibility to people and places. Accountability goes beyond funders. It involves respecting community protocols and valuing indigenous custodianship of knowledge. Lastly, we touch on decolonial and restorative aims. Indigenous methodologies often seek to correct historical injustices. They strive to restore indigenous agency in knowledge production. Now, let's see how this applies in Southern Africa. Here, IKS manifest in practices like traditional healing and communal childrearing. They help maintain social cohesion and provide strategies in agriculture and health. When engaging with IKS, researchers must navigate carefully. It's crucial to honor community norms, seek consent, and co-create protocols. This ensures the protection of sensitive knowledge and fosters mutual respect. Leading scholars emphasize this commitment. Indigenous methodologies are not just alternatives, they are substantial and enlightening. They offer insights often missed by Western paradigms. Engaging with these methodologies requires humility. Researchers should appreciate non-Western logics and adapt methods for oral data. Metrics of validity should focus on relationships rather than solely statistical measures. Finally, let's discuss ethical imperatives. When dealing with IKS, researchers must protect sensitive information. This means establishing protocols for consent, sharing benefits, and limiting knowledge dissemination when it is sacred. Institutional review boards must also adapt. They need to acknowledge that standard ethics might not suffice. Supporting community governance of knowledge is essential. To summarize, Indigenous knowledge systems embody vital wisdom. They intertwine spirituality, land, relations, and accountability. Engaging with these methodologies demands respect, dialogue, and ethical responsibility. Are you ready to explore Indigenous knowledge further? There's a wealth of insights waiting for you. Join us in respecting and understanding these vital systems. Like, subscribe, and share this video to continue the conversation.